Now let's get to meteorologist Darren Peck, who is live in the Berkeley Hills, and he is monitoring those strong winds for us. Darren?
Hey, Liz, Grizzly Peak specifically, it's a real popular spot to come look at the view. Can't see it now, of course, but just to tell you where I am, if it wasn't so cloudy, you could see downtown Oakland behind me. So I'm about 1,800 feet in elevation. This is where we're going to feel the winds a little bit stronger up here at this elevation, which is why we're also concerned down on those burn scars in the Santa Cruz Mountains, because the mountains are going to feel this a lot more. I've got access to a weather station, which is not far from here on Grizzly Peak. We're already hitting gusts of 30 miles an hour where I am. You just happened to come to me during one of the calmest, most relaxed points of the afternoon that I've been here. Let me show you why this is going to get a lot stronger. Let's go to the forecast map. And the way this forecast comes together is almost textbook. If you watch the bright colors on your screen as we play through this in the evening, you're going to see a very clear and well-defined line. Shows up on the top left corner of your screen, and that line then marches its way across the entire Bay Area. That line is crucially important, because that's where the strongest winds are. Now, for my location, it gets here by about 7 o'clock tonight. You see that line. But then by the time we get to about 11 o'clock tonight, it's down over the Santa Cruz Mountains. That is the way you track when the most dangerous winds will come through the mountains. And of course, those most dangerous winds are also going to be aligned with some very intense downpours. And I know Paul's already gone to a lot of detail on this, but that's the cold front. That's the worst of this event, and it starts later tonight and goes for about a 3 or 4 hour window in the overnight hours.